Greetings everyone. This is my presentation for the implementation of AI into military operations. I am Scott Schustrom and this is for English 102. Here's our source references for the information provided: artificial intelligence in the future of warfare, artificial intelligence on the battlefield, the very long game, and throughout the PowerPoint you'll see clip art, and the reference for the clip art is right here. So the question is, how can the military benefit from AI and advanced technology? The implementation of advanced technologies and artificial intelligence can enhance military operations, training, and data management by improving mission readiness. So, talking about AI, there are many different categories of AI that our nations rely on to complete their mission at hand. So you have narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, if you would think, are autonomous machines, image recognition, language translators, predictive maintenance models, and productivity and efficiency models. General AI is also drones, but you also have threat detection, signal intelligence, combat simulators for training, weapon systems for defense, and human-machine interfaces. So there's risk versus gain, right, of everything. So risk versus gain of the narrow AI. So, gain, increased efficiency. So repetitive tasks lead to faster and more accurate processes such as data analysis. You have improved accuracy. That's the precision in specific tasks such as facial and body image recognition, language translators, and operational analytics. 24/7 availability. So AI systems, they can operate 24/7 without breaks, improving service and productivity. Scalability and volumes of work. So AI systems, they can handle very large volumes of work without compromising quality. And personalization. So AI can be used and tailored for military experiences and training, such as personalized recommendations in dynamic warfare environments. The risk, however, lack of these capabilities due to the human input in the software, lacks ability to think on its own as of now. Job displacement, so the more AI, the less you have training officers, less you have information analysis, billets in the Coast Guard and the military, manipulation and misuse from people with biases, and it cannot determine ethical dilemmas based on religion or background. Here's the risk versus gain for general AI. So the risks: loss of internal control. So that's difficulty in controlling advanced AI that operates above human intelligence, which some do at this point. Bias and discrimination. Even AI systems, they can take on implemented biases presented in the data from whoever is inputting the data. We have security risks. So general AI could be vulnerable to hacking, manipulation, or use in cyber attacks. Loss of privacy. So given access to personal data, general AI could erase privacy protections, leading to surveillance or misuse, data breaches, and unpredictability. The gains. So advanced problem solving, the ability to take on complex problems for different topics, such as mission analysis, cost funding, and duty standards. Unprecedented efficiency, so it can achieve high levels of performance across a broad range of activities, reducing cost and time and resources. Continuous learning, so AI can continuously learn from experiences in real and dynamic time frames, continually improving itself without the need of manual updates. And human-like intelligence, so it does have the potential to reproduce and enhance human-like adaptive abilities, which would improve decision-making. So the specific accomplishments I want to talk about in operations through the utilization of AI would be training, data collection, and accountability. So training, here's a direct quote from one of the references up here. So AI-driven training systems offer highly realistic, adaptable, and dynamic simulation environments that closely replicate combat scenarios. So we have opportunities, safety, and funding, right? So opportunities, so AI can offer a highly transformative opportunity for members to enhance their effectiveness and efficiency through these training programs. Safety, so simulating high-risk environments and situations will allow operators to be more proficient in real-time scenarios. And funding, so right now AI systems are currently somewhat pricey. However, with the technology advancing, these will become more affordable in the future. And then data collection. AI systems can analyze historical data and current intelligence to predict enemy actions, allowing the military to take proactive measures. So decision-making, human error, and mission success. So decision-making, utilizing the AI to gather tremendous amounts of information which can give operators better understanding of military operations quickly. Human error, so this will mitigate human error through all capacities of operations. And the human input in these systems must be one of the highest levels of honor respect to mitigate any error. And mission success, so utilizing past historical data, pitfalls and judgment errors by operators will lead to a more proficient force, which will ultimately save the lives of military members in combat situations. Accountability. An understanding of AI would emphasize the role of hardware and software systems in implementing reasoning mechanisms without the need to pre-program the solutions that these systems are expected to accomplish. So accuracy, efficiency, and integrity. Accuracy, reducing human error, providing immediate feedback, which is member-specific, tailored to training, which will make members more proficient. Efficiency, we can train members through AI to battlefield or landscapes without actually having the member be there. And this will reduce the time needed and funding, sending militants overseas or into environments to get boots on the ground training. And integrity, so removing the potential for favoritism or subjectivity. AI can provide assessments not influenced by human feeling or subject to any bias. With AI comes a 20-year rule. So military innovation along with technological changes over the next 20 years have become the recent baseline for high-tech advancements. Technological change of relevance to military innovation may be faster and more consequential in the next 20 years than it has proven to be over the last 20 years. This recent decade has shown major advancements in aircraft, cybersecurity, medical technologies, and cybersecurity. With current breakthrough in AI, the past 3 decades have shown rapid acceleration and evolution in technology. So the desired outcome of the proposal would be to support our personnel through advancing our missions with AI that will not only help protect our members, but allow us to become more dedicated, trained, and valuable to our mission at hand. Promoting a culture of responsible AI through the Coast Guard will demand strong leadership, engaged management, and dedicated oversight to maintain our place as the leading maritime organization. Thank you.